Hello everyone, my name is Manohar Jadeja. Today in this video we are going to talk about the overfitting and underfitting in machine learning. Now, the mainly two terms that will directly relate to the overfitting and the underfitting is bias and the variance. So if I have already made one video on that, so if you are remain to watch that, so first I have already mentioned the link in description, so first you can see that for your better understanding for this video. Okay, so in this video mainly we cover the what is overfitting, what is underfitting, and I will also explain through the example that what is underfitting and what is overfitting. So first, underfitting. So basically we can say that in underfitting we are that our predicted value is quite far from our actual value. So we can see that it's in a less condition that will predict our actual value. So here less prediction, that means it will leads to the wrong prediction. While in the overfitting, our prediction value is quite near to our actual value, but our predicted data points are quite far to each other. So that means it will try to cover the each and every condition of the model. So it will also leads to the wrong prediction. So how it will be leads to the wrong prediction, that will I also demonstrate through one example. Before that, here in this image you can see that here low bias and the high variance condition will lead to the overfitting. So here as I said that here you can see that low bias, that means our predicted value or data points is quite near to our actual value. But high variance, that means that our predicted data points is quite far to each other. Here you can see that they are quite far to each other. So that will try to cover the all condition of our model that we have already given to check the particular model. So it will lead to the overfitting. Now in the underfitting, here you can see that a high bias, that means that our actual value and our predicted value is quite far from each other, but variance is low. That means here you can see that predicted data points are quite near to each other, but here you can see the huge difference between the actual value and the our predicted value. So it also leads to the wrong prediction. So it's all about the underfitting. Now if I'll tell you through the one example, so for about the underfitting, first you assume that in underfitting we are giving the as much as less condition to our model to predict someone. So here I am creating one model that will predict that input object is ball or not. So in underfitting I am giving, in this model I am giving one condition that input object should be a circle. So this only one condition I am giving, but in here I am giving in input object as orange. So that will our model will check that input object is a circle or not. So orange is also circle, so this condition will be true. So this prediction leads to the wrong prediction. While in the overfitting, same model we are going to create, but we are as we see before that we are trying to cover the more condition. So here I am giving the three conditions. First condition same from the previous, that our object is circle or not. Second condition I am giving that our object should be not eatable. And the third condition I am giving that main surface of the input object should be a, like we are assuming that it should be a 2 or a 3 centimeter. So these three condition will be measured by our model. So if these all three will success, then we can say that it will predict the right. But now in a input object I am giving the basketball here, but if we see that it will check this is the circle, yes it will circle, then it say this is not eatable, this object, yes not eatable, and at the last that will check that the main surface of the input object is 2 or 3 centimeter, but here we are giving the basketball, that means surface should be bigger than our normal tennis ball, so it will predict that it will not a ball. So that means it leads to the wrong prediction. We are making model that will predict it is a ball, but then doesn't matter that it is a tennis ball or the basketball. The model should be a predict that this is the ball. But here what model our model is predict that it is a not ball. So in a both condition, underfitting and the overfitting, both will be leads to the wrong prediction. So if we talk about the balance, means a balance fitting, so in this image you can see that this is the balance fitting, that our bias is low, that means predicted value and the actual value have a minimum difference, or we can say that there is no difference between the actual and the minimum actual and the predicted value, but the variance is also low, that means our predicted data points is also quite near to each other. So this condition we can say that it is a balanced predict, or we can say that it's balance fitting. So this is the all about the underfitting and the overfitting. Thank you.